Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our settings. Go to your settings, and once you have opened your setting, you can scroll down until you find the general management setting, this one. Click on it, and we have to scroll down until we find the reset menu. In this reset menu, since we want to reset network setting, we can choose reset mobile network settings right here. And you can choose with which of the SIM card you want to reset. If you have a dual SIM card, here I have SIM 1 and SIM 2, and I'm going to select my SIM 2. And after that, we can click on reset settings. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reset network setting in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.